Morning, everybody. Sweeney guy. I don't have a whole lot of time for some real hard woods time, so today I was able to go out and do a little foraging. Collected 3 good stalks of mullein, actually 4. I got another one cut up right there. Use my bag right here. Got a bunch of bull thistle inside there. I'll use those up later. But what I was going to do is sit out on the front stoop here and do a little hand drill practice. And I took one of these stalks of mullein right there, and I cut it, and took that piece of, I believe, box elder. I was playing around with it, and I got smoke. So I've never gotten smoke before. I've never even gotten this for. So today might be the day. So what I figured is I'll come out here and videotape it. If it works, great. If it doesn't, well, that's great too. So okay, well, let's see how it goes. Son of a bitch. Oh my God. No freaking way. Oh. Yeah, I'm a puss. I used I use gloves. I always ask people why they don't use gloves. Oh man. Oh yeah. Come on. Get in there. Fire! Well, there it is. So there's my front yard bushcrafting for today. So I have to crank another one of these out here soon. Thanks for watching. Oh, got to play with my Green River today just a little bit. Thanks for a great knife. I'll be sure to beat on it a little bit more later.